Changing 2 springs, door cable, safety cable, 4 pulleys. Right here have the safety cable. Whoa. Like this. Change everything new. This guy's right there. Okay. This here. This. After we done everything, gonna hit it with the blower.
Now this one doesn't work on this one, right?
Oh yeah, because that's very old. I remember this one only have the new keypad. So what I did, I changed for you the springs,
Great.
safety cable, door cable, pulleys. Same thing right here, pulleys. And if you look at the other side, same thing.